Hello, I'm Richard Hunter and welcome to our look ahead for the week commencing the 16th of March. Needless to say, before we get to any kind of look ahead, we need to look at what's going to be happening in the context of what has happened this week. And it has been an ugly week for markets around the globe. In terms of the economic impact of coronavirus, markets had already been teetering. Over last weekend, of course, there was another spat for us to contend with in terms of the oil market, where talks between OPEC, Saudi Arabia and Russia broke down. This was enough to send markets into free fall first thing on Monday morning. Of course, there was some sort of rebound from that sharp dip in markets on Tuesday, only for the President of the US to announce on Wednesday that there would be a travel ban from Europe to the US, further hitting the beleaguered tourism and travel sector, but equally importantly, taking the wind out of the sails of any potential market recovery, such that Thursday was an extremely painful day. Here we are on Friday, so far so good. The FTSE 100 has seen something of a bounce, and as we speak, Dow futures are also looking reasonably positive. However, in terms of next week and probably the week after, we need a few trading sessions of stability before we can even begin to say that we're turning the corner. Bear in mind that what is lurking still in the background is that oil price war. It is the fact that the coronavirus economic impact is yet to be quantified fully, and of course there's an increasing feeling that central banks just haven't got enough firepower to cut this off at the pass. What the UK did on budget day in terms of fiscal stimulus, helping monetary stimulus, has been applauded so far, and we'll need to see whether other countries follow suit. So, all that being said, how has that actually resulted? Well, needless to say, we're talking bear market territory. In the year to date, the Dow Jones is now down 26%, the S&P 500 is down 23%, the Nasdaq is down 20%, and our own FTSE 100 is down 28%. It seems a bit churlish, therefore, to be talking about companies reporting next week, because although the companies that are reporting would normally cause some interest, it's matters at a macro level which investors are really going to be watching. That being said, we can at least look out for these full year numbers from the supermarket William Morrison, full year numbers also from the retailer Next, and a first quarter update from the online supermarket stroke technology company Ocado. Nonetheless, it will very much be a case of whether this week's momentous market movements are maintained, or whether we can at least look forward to some sort of stability. Thank you for watching, and hopefully have a great week.